Instagram just dropped a slick new feature that lets you customize your profile grid. Curious to see how it works? In this video, I'll walk you through rearranging your profile grid on Instagram. Before we begin, this feature is new and may not be available to everyone. Now let's get started. First, open your App Store and make sure Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Then open Instagram and log into your account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, hit Edit Profile, then tap Edit Grid. You'll enter a preview mode where all your posts are draggable. Simply press and hold any post, then drag it to a new spot. Watch your grid reshape in real time. If you changed your mind, just tap Undo in the top right corner to revert the last move. Keep tweaking until it feels just right. When you're happy with the layout, tap the back arrow in the top left. You'll return to your profile page and see your refreshed grid live. That's it. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment and subscribe for new tech tips every week.